Good morning. Yo, Pico. I'm gonna need you to shut it. I'm gonna need you to shut it. Good morning. It's currently 11:05 in the morning. It's November 25th. We got 3 pancakes. We got Pico yelling in the background. Auntie Jemima's. If y'all know, y'all know. Not really pro mine. We about to watch Dexter eat. Today's day 1 of the eval. November 25th. Mark the spot. Today is the day where we start a generational run. Yeah, let's go. All right, boom. So I know if you're looking at the time, it's a little bit later. There's a few things I had to do before I recorded this. Probably a little more than a few things, but basically, if you're looking at the trade I did today, first day on the eval account, I took a dub on a sell contract. Basically, my bias today. Just fix this so you can see what I was looking at. Basically, my bias today was I came on hourly time frame. Put me all the way back here. Came on hourly time frame. Look at the session's highs and then session lows. Kind of got that in my head, and so we had a huge pump yesterday. So in the back of my head, I said, okay, we could retrace and maybe come back down here and fill this value gap down here. And basically what I was just looking for was confirmation when I hopped in the market. So I scaled down to a lower time frame. I usually use the 15 minute. That's what I like to use. 15, 3 minute, 5 minute. Those are my favorite time frames. It came down to the 15 minute. We got our open candle. I'm gonna scale down to the 1 minute so you guys can kind of see what was going on in real time. So at open we had a little bit of consolidation, and then boom, market pumps. Oh, it just rips up a few points, right? So once we reach up here at this 669, 670 level around there, market started to reject, and when I zoomed out, I ended up seeing that we ended up making a bearish SMT divergence. And off of that, I didn't want to take the trade just off of those few facts that the market was giving me. I wanted to have full confirmation. So I let some time play out. Then 15 minutes go by. We get the first 3 wicks, and I see we make a fair value gap. I create my box. Market comes. We completely disrespect the fair value gap and just break to the downside. So boom, right down here. After that close, I got filled right about down here. I entered short positions. I set my take profit down here because this is a level of resistance I had marked out from previous days. That's what all these levels are, previous day levels I have set up. These are personal levels. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, none of that. I'm just trying to get into the market like everybody else, trying to learn myself. So I ended up getting filled around this level at 670 for a risk to reward ratio of basically 2 to 1. And I was pretty confident in this trade off the facts market was giving me. We had the bearish SMT divergence. We completely disrespected the fair value gap. And again, I wanted to come down and see how we rejected off of this previous day fair value gap that it gave us on the higher time frame. Sorry, I don't know why markets. So we ended up coming down to this previous day fair value gap, but we did not close on the higher time frames. So those would have been some good plays to catch. But over on the day, play was clean. We ended up hitting take profit, clean day, and probably what all you guys have been waiting for is how much did I make on the first day of the eval account. This is a 50K eval account, Top Step. But yeah, enough stalling. I'm going to show you guys what I made today. Day one of the eval account, we made damn near $1,000, which is not bad, because if you know the rules for a Top Step account, you can't make over 50% of what your target is in a day. So let's say your target's 3K, you can't make over 1.5K in a day, which honestly is not what I expected to make. $973.50 is way more than what I had my expectations, especially for day one. It's excuse me, it's a process. And I used to trade options. I could pull up some screenshots and I would take wins and wins, but I also have losses and losses. And after probably about over a year, or around a year of trading options, and being in the Discord and just trying to learn my strategy and just trying to learn how market moves and market structure, I haven't been able to become profitable. And I'm starting to switch up to futures, see if this is something different, if it's some that I can achieve more on, I guess. And I know I'm not going to be successful on the first day. It's all a process, and I just got to put that into my head. I got to take my losses, I got to take my wins, and I got to be happy with what the days give me, because we can't predict, every day we want to take a win, but on that day we really want to take a win is probably going to be that day that we take that loss. So we just got to have that mindset to be ready to lose, but we got to have that mindset to want to win. That's how I think. It's always a process. I heard someone say, a basketball player, it was a quote, is chopping wood, carrying water, and that's really what it is. You just got to focus on the process and focus on what you want to accomplish. Don't let anyone else tell you what you want to do. Stay consistent, stay focused, stay disciplined, stick to your strategy is the main thing, which sometimes I even struggle on. Everybody struggles on TJR, which I even saw TJR. He marked out the same points as me today. The bearish SMT, the fair value gap. He ended up not being able to catch a trade to the downside. He ended up catching it on the reversal, but just find what you're comfortable with, just like he did. Find your strategy. Don't try and rush it. Don't feel like you're missing out on nothing, because the market's going to be open today. The market's going to be the market's going to be open today. The market's going to be open tomorrow. It's not a matter of when you're going to get it. It's a matter of how bad you want to get it. And once you start thinking like that, it's going to come to you. And I know I haven't started to think like that. I'm just trying to get on that same path as every other successful person, and not be average like you guys don't want to be average. And I'm hoping everybody had a great W green day today. It was a beautiful Tuesday. Not too beautiful over here, but I'm day-wise, weather-wise. But overall, trade was beautiful today. Setup was A+ in my opinion. Everybody has their own opinions. You guys can let me know your opinions in the comments. Was this lucky, or do I have something going on here? You guys let me know in the comments, because everybody has their own opinion. I'm willing to hear you guys', and I hope you guys enjoyed the short video, short recap. I hope day one was good for you guys, and hopefully tomorrow we're green as a bean, baby. Let's go.